What if I told you the last bottle of laundry detergent you ever bought was a complete waste of your hard-earned money? My name is Joseph, and today I will reveal a simple $0 recipe that lasts a full year and works better than Tide. One of the biggest laundry mistakes is not buying the wrong detergent, it's using too much of it. And at the end of this video, I will show you the exact mistake that makes clothes smell worse even after washing. So hit that subscribe button right now, because you do not want to miss this money-saving secret. How much money you save. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the average American household spends around $170 every single year just on laundry supplies, and a Procter & Gamble study shows that families washing 300 to 390 loads a year can easily pay anywhere between $180 and $600 only on detergent. Store-bought detergent costs about 21 to 40 cents for every load, but a homemade batch works out to only 3 cents per load. That is more than 90% saved on every single wash. One simple batch made at home costs about $2.60 and gives you 60 to 76 loads, and a full $20 supply of ingredients can clean over 5,000 loads of clothes, which is enough for many years for one family. Why store detergent is overpriced. The truth is, you are not really paying for clean clothes, you are paying for fancy packaging, big marketing budgets, and chemicals you do not even need. A study by the Citizens Campaign for the Environment tested 80 household products and found 65 of them contained 1,4-dioxane, a chemical the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency officially labels as a likely human carcinogen. And Consumer Reports has confirmed this hidden byproduct shows up in popular brands like Tide and Gain. Big companies also add optical brighteners, artificial fragrances, phthalates, and petroleum-based surfactants, which the Environmental Working Group reports can irritate skin, hurt lungs, and pollute water systems. The one-year laundry recipe. The recipe is so easy that anyone can make it in just 10 minutes at home, using only 3 cheap items, 1 bar of soap such as Fels Naphtha, Zote, or plain Castile soap, 1 cup of washing soda which is sodium carbonate and not baking soda, and 1 cup of borax, all easily found at any general store or supermarket. First, grate the bar of soap into very fine pieces with a normal kitchen grater, then mix it well with the washing soda and borax in a big dry bowl and store the powder in any airtight jar or old container with a tight lid. You only need 1 tablespoon for a normal load and 2 tablespoons for very dirty clothes, meaning 1 single batch gives you about 64 washes, and just 3 batches will easily last your family a full year. After trying this simple recipe, do you really think you will ever go back to buying expensive detergent again? Tell me honestly in the comments below. The mistake that ruins homemade detergent. Most people fail with homemade detergent because of one huge mistake: they use way too much powder. Thinking more detergent means cleaner clothes, but the opposite is actually true. Cleaning experts and Reviewed.com both confirm that extra detergent creates heavy suds that actually trap dirt instead of washing it away. And these slippery suds leave a sticky white film on dark clothes and can damage the sensors inside modern high-efficiency washing machines. The second common mistake is grating the bar of soap into thick chunks instead of fine flakes, because big pieces will not fully dissolve in cold water and will leave ugly white spots on your clothes. So always grate it as fine as possible or run it through a food processor. Another silent killer is moisture. If you store the powder in a humid kitchen or an open jar, it will turn into hard lumps within a few weeks and lose all its cleaning power. The $0 laundry swap. Now here is the real secret that no big company wants you to know. You can replace fabric softener, dryer sheets, and even bleach with simple things already sitting in your kitchen for almost zero cost. Plain white vinegar, which costs less than $3 a gallon, works as a natural fabric softener when you pour half a cup into the rinse cycle. And the U.S. Department of Energy confirms it also breaks down soap residue, keeps colors bright, and removes bad smells without leaving any vinegar smell on dry clothes. For static, free drying, simply roll a piece of aluminum foil into a tight ball and toss it inside the dryer. Half a cup of baking soda added to your wash boosts cleaning power and softens hard water for free. while drying clothes in open sunlight naturally kills bacteria with ultraviolet light and saves your electricity bill at the same time. Which of these free swaps will you try first in your home? Write your answer in the comments and let others learn from your choice too. Most families overuse detergent. This is what most people don't know. Using extra detergent can actually make your clothes dirtier over time. Too much soap leaves residue trapped in towels, shirts, and washing machines. That residue can hold body oils, sweat, and odor, which is why some clothes still smell bad after a full wash cycle. Many people think they need stronger detergent, but the real fix is using less, rinsing better, and cleaning the washer. So now you know the truth. Store-bought detergent is robbing your wallet, and this simple homemade recipe can save you hundreds of dollars every single year while keeping your family safer. Hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the bell, because another money-saving secret is coming your way that you will not want to miss.